everybody, check out Felicia. This is the newest release for patrons of ritual casting. This is the bust using her special plinth. Now this one is built as with the pistols option and the normal, well, we'll say human face. She's also got, instead of pistols, you can get a variant with crossbows. If you build the full body version instead of the bust, there is a cattail, foxtail, and normal hips, and then all the legs are the same. These are fully customizable with magnets. I believe 6mm magnets will fit inside the little channel in each of these. So I built this. The heads are not attached. There's actually blue tack holding this on, as well as on the plinth. But you can magnetize her arms. You can magnetize the heads, the hips. Everything is fully interchangeable. As well as there are two different plinths that you can use when you build her up on off of your pledge. There's also Katsumi, which I will put some pictures up for you to see. She goes into the store on June 1st. So check out Katsumi. She's releasing on the Ritual Casting store June 1st. If you just joined Patreon recently and didn't get a chance to get this, you can actually use your 30% off promo as well. Otherwise, for those of you following the channel, GamerDad20 should allow you to get a discount on the Ritual Casting website. But yeah, check it out. Just an awesome pinup pose. With the sword. You actually can put a couple. I believe. I haven't printed this one yet, but I believe you actually can do some work with these swords here. They're not. They're separate, so you can actually either put them on the sword rack or not.